It's tax season, so time to get your money back that you earned with honest work. That is also why our finance minister Christian Lindner is so sad in this picture, because you will earn a lot of money in this video. We tested the 3 tax software providers that allow you to file your taxes in English. You're welcome. Which of these 3 tax software providers is the best? We measure that based on 2 different things. Which software is the easiest to use and which software gives us the highest tax return. Check out all 3 videos to find out which software provider gave me the highest tax deduction when typing in the same numbers into all 3, either Steuergo, Taxfix or Wundertax. And whichever tax software you're choosing, we also secured a bonus for you guys. What's up everyone, welcome to a new tax video from Perfinex, the #1 English speaking and independent financial planner in Germany. Before we file our taxes together, a short reminder. If you repeat what we'll be doing together in this video, you will earn on average about 1,000 euros. So filing your taxes is good for you, even it might not be mandatory. And you have more than enough time to file your taxes this year. So after we run through the tax software together, there's really no more excuse to not filing your taxes. It's in English, it's easy to do, and you will get paid really good for it. We prepared a somewhat real case with various numbers that you will see on the next slide. Because I feel it's important to type in the same values into all 3 tax software providers if we really want to have an objective review how much tax money they're promising us. If you have any questions, please reach out to the support of the respective tax software. Or if you find your case is too difficult to file your taxes yourself, ask your local Lohnsteuerhilfeverein or a professional tax advisor. Perfinex, us, we're no tax advisor. We're only doing these videos because you guys have been asking for it. These are the numbers we're gonna type into the respective tax software provider to see how much tax money we're getting back. The green numbers are my real numbers. My salary, my private health insurance, my pensions and insurances, as well as tax class 1. Let's see what comes out if we type in the same numbers into 3 different tax software providers. They should all give us the same tax return, right? Alright, here we are logged into Taxfix. Unfortunately, I already tested the tax return 2021 and it seems like that I can't delete it. So we have to do 2020 because I want to start with you from scratch. What I really like about Taxfix that it's kind of this interview structure. So intro questions. Let's see, 6 categories, let's start. Have you ever filed a tax return in Germany? If you're not sure what they mean with their question, there's always the tooltip on the right, which I find very helpful. Actually, no, we didn't. What's my marital status? It's single and I did not receive Kurzarbeit. Maybe those 2 are important for you, right? We don't have it here. I made wages or salary and capital gains. In case you type in self-employment, own business, renting property, selling property, then you get like a error note because Taxfix is not offering this just yet. Did you receive all capital gains in a German bank account? Yeah, we invest with Fidelity. Was shares, we got dividends. Did I work in any of the key roles? What did you mean? Maybe no for now. Hold on more. Now it kind of wants to know our involvement. We do not hold 25% of the shares. It's just public shares that we have. All right, let's come to the income. Category 2 of 6. Again, we need the Lohnsteuerbescheinigung, so if you don't have this piece of paper, get it. And I only have 1. You can upload your annual payslip if you have it. Since I don't really have it, I just have the numbers from it. I have to enter everything manually, but it doesn't take that long. We were working throughout all the year in tax class 1. If you're not sure which tax class you are, either check it or check out our video. My gross salary was 48. The taxes that I paid is 8790.96. No solidarity tax. No church tax. Statutory pension 4464 for the employer and 4464 for me. No public health insurance, but private. I received 1883.54 from my employer, and I paid 3667.08 myself. Here you can also type in crypto if you wanted to. Yesterday there was a new statement from the German Ministry of Finance about crypto. Even if you're lending, staking, airdrops, all that kind of stuff, everything should become tax-free after just holding it for 1 year. No more 10 years. That would be awesome. Would also work for our security tokens from German real estate. We'll see if that becomes a law. Hopefully though. We didn't have any other jobs and also no other income except capital gains from our investments and working income. There's also no other benefits. No. How many bank statements did you get? Just one. Let's enter the details. We have 1201 in capital gains from selling, and we use 801 of Sparerpauschbetrag, the tax-free threshold, meaning we paid exactly 100 euro in capital gains and 5.50 euro in solidarity tax. Have you ever been a member of the church? I have actually, but not in my adult age. Let's pretend this is the first one that I'm handing in. I had private health insurance. How much did you pay for basic coverage? Important to note that for private health insurance, you have a part of your premium that you pay for basic coverage, which basically translates to the coverage of the public health insurance, even though public is charging this much and private only that much. And on top of that, you have like voluntary services. And only the stuff that you pay for basic coverage is tax deductible. So you will see it in your tax statement. And I paid for basic coverage 2331.84. For care insurance, I paid 448.08. Those are real numbers, by the way. And I did receive a refund because they probably here mean cashback, I'm guessing. So let's say yes. How much money was refunded to me? I got a refund of 532.68. That was nice. Additional health insurance coverage, probably nothing. No. Does your insurance statement show additional payments for long-term care insurance? No. We have everything. Category 2 done. Feels almost like gamification here, like we got an achievement. Let's continue. We got the ball rolling. Did you live alone in Germany? Yes, forever alone. Then I live in the O2 tower. Not really though, but just for this video. Did I move house? No, I didn't. I rent. If you're not sure if renting or owning is good for you, somebody has a video that got you covered. Nebenkostenabrechnung, you usually get it. I don't have it here for the example case, so let's say no. But you guys can save more taxes than I can here. We didn't pay for anything, just for the sake of this example. Also no second home. That was quick and easy. Work! Now we can deduct a lot of stuff. What was my job title? Geschäftsführer. Did you have more than one route to work? Didn't. I traveled to employer's workspace, which is here. I travel by public transport and bike. My starting point is the O2 tower, which is considered a home here, and the office is the final destination, so 4.8. Interesting that the other tax software is calculated a different kilometer. I traveled throughout all the years. How many days per week did you travel this route to work? 2 days in the office and 3 days at home. How many vacation days? 20 days. I think that's very regular for an employee. How many sick days? No, we're super healthy. How many days did I not travel to work? Let's put in the 138, which adds up with the office days to 230 work days. Let's see, because the maximum you can deduct for home office is 120 days. So I want to test what these software providers are saying to this. What is the correct number of working days when you traveled this route to work in 2020? Correct number of working days, 230. How much money did I spend on public transport? 540 for Munich. Did I go on business trips? No. Work from home? Yes, certainly. Did your home situation change? No. When did home situation 1 apply? Throughout the whole year. In which room did you work? Home office room, living room. We don't have a separate work room because that one we could deduct fully. How many days did you work from home? Let's see if they recognize the... Okay, they know my 230 days. That's good. Let's see what they say about the 138, because the maximum should be 120 we could deduct. What did I buy? Furniture, a computer, also a monitor, software, tax software, but probably no. How many pieces of office furniture did you buy? A chair and a desk, 2. What was the cost of the desk? 220. And a chair for 100. Did you also use your computer for private purposes? Let's see what they're saying. Well, actually, yes. What was the cost of the computer? 1449. The newest MacBook Pro. When did you buy the computer? Let's say it was a birthday gift to myself. What was the cost of the computer accessories? Do you mean monitor and stuff? Maybe. We bought a monitor for 200. Did you buy any of these items in the previous year? No. Maintenance costs? No, luckily not. I did use the internet for work every day. Sure. Monthly cost of the internet? Let's say 20, because that's apparently what Finanzamt recognizes. For how many months of the year did you use your internet connection for work? 12 months. Did you have any other work-related costs? Interest on student loans? Maybe you guys have it. Other than that, no. Finish! Family. That will be a quick one. No children, no care, no funeral. That's it! Okay, now health insurance. Let's see. Or health in general. What did I have? None of this actually. I have my private health insurance. Here you can type in like the dental additives or something. If you're interested in that, there's also a calculator on our website. But other than that, no, nothing. No workplace accidents, no disability. Any medical costs? Let's just see. Luckily not. I really like this interview structure. So this really helps you that you're not forgetting anything actually. Okay, last category. Pensions and insurances. Let's see, we got a Riester. We got a base pension level 1. They also asked for private pension, so let's say we have it. Other ones didn't. You can also type in a term life. For this example here, we don't have it. And we certainly didn't pay extra for public pension. I'd rather burn the money. I contributed this much, the optimal amount to the Riester pension. My total annual salary, let's just say it was the exact same. The total amount of income replacement, none. Probably Arbeitslosengeld and stuff, unemployment money. How much did I pay into my base pension plan? That is 2359.08. That's a real number, by the way. Any reimbursement? No. When did your private pension with lump sum option start? After 2005. I have a disability insurance, but that's included in my base pension to make it tax deductible. But I have a personal liability and a legal insurance too, which is actually, for me, it's a professional liability, but I want to make this case for you guys. My personal liability, 118.43. That's maybe a little expensive for you guys if you only want private liability. There's also a calculator on the website for that if you're looking to save some money here. My legal insurance covers actually anything. It's a good one. How much did you pay for legal insurance, work-related claims only? Ah, okay. Well, since I have a business legal, I can deduct everything. You probably have to check your yearly statement. And here we can also see my refund is 612. So let's see how this develops. Did I have a tax return? I used Taxfix last year, yes. And my cost was 35. Did your employer pay for Vermögens? No. I did not donate. I don't pay taxes in advance. Taxes for 2020 done. Good news! I can expect a refund of 624 and 25. You are obligated to submit your tax return because your employer overestimated your insurance payments during the year. Filing mandatory. Okay, let's see how they come to the result. Here we also have possible reasons for my refund. I had work-related expenses, exactly, the laptop and everything. I also had the right pensions that allow me to save money, and high commuting expenses even. Okay, wow. So I earned 48k and had work-related expenses of 22. So my commuting expenses, my work equipment, and other work-related expenses. I see. So my actual income is only the 45. Out of this, I had tax deductible insurances of 6.1, special deductions of 36. This is probably 20 euros for something in the bank account. My Riester pension, meaning I only earned 37. Already lost 11,000 for tax purposes. Paid income tax of 6.5 and capital gains tax of 100. Got my Riester bonus of 175 for me as an adult. Kids get 300, meaning I paid income tax of 7.8, and deducted from my salary apparently was 8.791. That's a little much, and that's why my refund is 624 and 25. Let's claim it. And now you type in your personal data and also code Perfinex. If you register with the link in the description, you shouldn't need the Perfinex code. And then you can claim your refund. After filing our taxes together, how do I find the user experience? Steuergo is certainly very detailed, so if you're an advanced person, you will probably like it. If you are not a tax expert yet, you still get all the nice tooltips on the right that I find very helpful. Taxfix is probably the easiest to use, as they have this sort of interview structure that leads you through your tax filing in a logical way. Like Wundertax. They have the 10 bullet points always in the menu on the left, so you know exactly where you currently are. Who can use the respective tax software? For Steuergo, everyone that has a good knowledge or want to look into the details of tax declarations. Taxfix is for employees only. No self-employed people, no business owners, no income from real estate. Yet. We'll see if they upgrade over the next years. Wundertax can be used by literally anyone. They also have their own tailored domains for you expats, for student or self-employed to make filing your taxes as easy as possible. Pricing. You can see they're all very similar, and we reached out to all of them to secure a bonus for you guys that you will get by signing up with the links in the description. With Steuergo, we're currently discussing the discount as of shooting this video. Should be ready when the video is released. If you decide to go for Taxfix, please register with the link in the description or type in code Perfinex. And Wundertax will automatically give you a €5 discount when registering with the link in the description. This video showed us a potential tax return of €624 and 25 cents. That's pretty good. And if you're interested what the other two tax software providers promise, check out the videos, links are in the descriptions. See you next week, guys.